In the world of trading, it's so easy to get lost in the abyss of information that's out there. Ebooks, paid courses, and scammer YouTubers. It's hard to decipher the facts from the fake. And when I first started trading, I had to do the exact same and navigate all the information on YouTube. And it was hard. So that's why I made this video. So you can cut all the BS and just get a simple, straightforward guide on just how to start as a beginner. Created an ICT concepts guide, and I'm giving away my own personal that I use interactive journal, all for free. If you go in the description, you will see the link to download the journal and the guide. So my goal in this video is to summarize my experience of 4 years of trading in the simplest way on how someone could start from the start. And the most asked question that I get from friends, family, and just people on social media is, how much money do you need to start trading with? The answer always surprises people, and it might surprise you, but you don't actually need any money to start with. Like, it's £0, $0. This is where a lot of people make the first mistake, and they jump in the charts with no experience, and they put all the savings or just a lot of money into the charts and actively trading. The story goes, they lose the money, they say it's not for them, they say it's a scam, and then they quit. This is what happens to the majority of people that try to get into trading. What I'm about to tell you is how to completely avoid being the majority so that doesn't happen to you, and how to actually be the 1% that makes this work and make a living for yourself and have time, location, and money freedom. In trading, there's something called a trading simulator, or simply put, paper trading. Basically just softwares and different platforms that simulate a real world trading environment. Rather than risking your hard-earned capital when you have no skill and no understanding, you can just risk the prop money. It's just fake money. This is where you get to test things out that you're learning in the moment, or just to mess about and just learn the buttons and the configurations of everything without rinsing your pocket. So you can make all the small, minute errors of just a beginner, of someone that's never done something before, without it actually hurting your income. The way that you want to view the platforms and softwares that are simulating like a sportsman practicing before the game, you want to look at it like a pilot rehearsing before they actually fly the plane, like an actor rehearsing before they have to actually be recorded. Like, there needs to be a training arena, an environment where you can just grow and learn without it being the end of the world if you get it wrong. Most people skip this stage entirely because social media makes it seem like trading's so easy to start that you just put money into a broker and click buy or sell on MT4 or 5 and then you make some money. The platform I actually recommend is called FX Replay. They have a 5-day free trial for you to test things out, and then after that I think it's like $30 or something like that a month. And to be fair, in the grand scheme of things, $30 isn't that much. If you don't have $30, go and get a job, because you need to have some liquid to be able to even invest into a trading account, never mind investing in yourself. So yeah, if you have no money, I'd recommend definitely sorting out your finances before thinking about trading, because if you don't have money, you're going to come to the charts, you're going to be rushing, you're going to be taking bad trades and just doing things that don't make sense because you need money. So sort that out and then come back to the chart. Anyways, act like this is your real money. When you paper trade or you trade or you go in a simulator, treat it very seriously. Record all the trades you're taking. What went wrong? Is it you? Is it the system? Was it greed? Was it FOMO? Was it risk management? Just, you need to be journaling everything. And that's why I've included the journal in the description, so you can track and document your progress. This process of trial and error, just like Thomas Edison with the light bulb, he had 10,000 attempts. It's the same thing. You need to be able to jot down what works, what doesn't, so you can stop doing what doesn't work and do more of what does work. Finally, when you decide to start getting into this, you need to have the right mindset, and you shouldn't be focused on the money. Of course, we all want money from this. Like, anyone wants money from any industry they go into. You first need to build the skill. And once you build the skill and you have the strategy, the money is just a byproduct of that skill. Once they get good, that is when they start getting recognition, and that's when you start getting paid. This tip of using trading simulators and using a journal is overlooked massively in the industry, because Everyone just wants quick and easy. Take this seriously and it will take you seriously. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Peace.